Meow Wolf Convergence Station, Denver, Colorado. This will be my second to last stop in this series. My next stop will be Las Vegas.
Greetings, travelers. The Quantum Department of Transportation welcomes you to Convergence Station, with direct service to the 4 worlds of convergence.
Past experience, simply scan the QR code in line or speak to
Welcome back, everyone. Thank you so much for spending a little time here on my channel today. I'm excited to share my experience exploring Meow Wolf in Denver, the Convergence Station. As the largest Meow Wolf installation, there's no way I could ever cover every incredible detail just in one short video. I just want to put together some of the highlights from my day and my experience and share them with you. To take everything in, especially all the hidden storyline details, you'd probably need to have multiple visits to accomplish that. And for me, usually after about 3 hours, I'm ready to call it a day and start planning my next trip back. But I know that there's got to be some dedicated fans out there who would easily spend like 5 or 6 hours trying to explore every single corner and chasing down every final detail of their quest. And if that's you, that's awesome. Sit back and relax and enjoy, my highlights of Convergence Station in Denver. I'm happy to share it with you. Thanks for watching.